Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy L.Nontsiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yaloya. You are about to Tako. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you have seen the title, you have seen the thumbnail, I don't want to waste your time. Today I'm going to react to Cougar's new song, you know what I'm saying? Latest song, you know what I'm saying? It's mentioned day in a life, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I haven't heard it anytime yet, so I want to hear it with you know what I'm saying? So if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like the video. Let's get this video to 50 likes, you know what I'm saying? That's the goal, to get this video to 50 likes, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified this time I drop. Right now, just subscribe. Without any further ado, let's watch the let's get wait, guys. Before we continue, are you tired of borrowing other people's jerseys before you go to stadium to watch soccer? Don't worry, I got you. I have a plug for you. So at this time around, you can have your new t-shirt, your new Manchester, Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Barca, PSG, Juventus, you can name it all. If you want any plug, please inbox this number or just call this number or inbox this number on WhatsApp 066 416 0538. Did you hear that? You can get your fresh and new t-shirt for this season right now, anytime. Don't waste time. Let's get straight to the video. Thank you. I beg, guys, so let's watch it, and don't judge my reaction because I don't have the material. Please subscribe. Just subscribe so that I can buy the full material, so that I can do the full reactions for you. But right now, I don't have the full material. I'm using my phone here to react. So please, guys, I'm doing this for you. Let's help each other. Just subscribe right now. Please, I'm begging you. Let's get straight into it.
Yo, day in a life. Maranthoya se vlogo. Ntho ba shoota ngayona ga montle maitogo I took a tripod. Someone a tlhapile fruit, get ready with him wa phiera go ofo. As influencer leke legenza POV mfana la bobo. Day in a life. Maranthoya se vlogo.
Aselegenza mfano as influencer ke legenza POV o tlhale bobo.
Someone a tlhapile fruit, get ready with him wa phiera go ofo. As influencer leke legenza POV mfana la bobo. Day in a life. Maranthoya se vlogo. Ntho ba shoota ngayona ga montle maitogo I took a tripod. Someone a tlhapile fruit, get ready with him wa phiera go ofo. As influencer leke legenza POV mfana la bobo. Toninyano battery league. He moving with Max and G's. Maranteba se podcast in Chile, he deep in the streets. Street cred se took a fact check. Toninyano tumba o seletsa. Moditara de mamwitsi wa fisa withata la ghost. Sima, samosola wo haga pendule. Small wa mover. When I do mega
Uyithathela ghost. Sima osawara solo iphendula. So Ghost and Sima, there was a couple. Uyithathela ghost Sima osawala solo iphendula. Sol Penduka from Magic's podcast, man. Sol Penduka.
Prata se took a fact check. Toninyano tumba o seletsa. Moditara de mamwitsi wa fisa withata la ghost. Sima, samosola wo haga pendule. Small wa mover. When I do mega spread di rumor. And hanyaga wa mfana
guys, do you hear what he's saying? Cougar o bolela ka podcast ya Mick G mo. Pele o bolela ka podcast ya Mick G. Are I get with a ghost with Hatela Sima. Are so samosola wa pendula. Sima, he was interviewing, he was the host of Spreading Humors. So are spread why utlolang Cougar jo.
tumba o seletsa. Moditara de mamwitsi wa fisa withata la ghost. Sima, samosola wo haga pendule. Small wa mover. When I do mega spread di rumor. And hanyaga wa mfana ga utsuwa. Kuwana shmogu blanda we batala utsu fela na seanda. O sa tshwara etwele you shile. Le hari ya bo mamwitsi ga pele. Tshwara nthomo ya ba bazile. Ase motho le media tsene le Twitter.
o tshwara ntho ya o baba zile la itse zile re disang acha ya malas number acha ya matona la itse zile o rekisa acha a ro tshwara ntho ya o baba zile o bolela ka acha ya zile I Cougar him.
Shmogu blanda we battle utu fela na sianda. Osa twara yetwele yushile. Le hari yako waputi kapile. Twara ntongo ya baba zile. Ase motule media atene li Twitter mara ga ubulela space. Utule sifu upela ga mask. Are nobody safe. Mara yana utumega clean job. No face no case. Ase mota opela mara utwa se tato hatinja ga she trace. Day in a life. Mara ntwe ase vlog.
Ase mota opela mara utwa se tato hati. Ashi trace.
Ntwe ba shoota nga yona ga montle me togo I took a tripod. Someone a clapile fruit get ready with him wa piera go ofo. As influencer legele genza POV mfana la bobo. Day in a life. Mara ntwe as a vlog. Ntwe ba shoota nga yona ga montle me togo I took a tripod. Someone a clapile fruit get ready with him wa piera go ofo. As influencer legele genza POV mfana la bobo.
Cougar, 10 out of 10 life. More? Yeah, guys. Comment down below. Comment down below if this is 10 out of 10. Maybe I'm keeping, I don't know. But comment down below. This is crazy, guys. But get Day in a Life. It's out right now. Go and search it. Go and stream it. You know what I'm saying? Every day. It's out right now. Day in a Life. Crazy. What? Zile yanda sol penduga spreading humors goes to yo, that's crazy. So now let's listen to the second one. You know what I'm saying? I just downloaded the clips from TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Just downloaded the clips from TikTok. So let's listen to it.
Let me tell you a story. Hurt manager suga bosi a hopo le selo lusitse memory. Doctor yetsana lo motsoro sorry mosadi le bana ba survivor goals. A barsa ga sello mona ga sitsoke ke lady a roti e re ke thome ke le fe backstory. Hurt man na sna le tell we cafe chippy and nastel. Happily married the job desa o ka mora le nyalo la 20 years. We tse una le bo 44 are mengwa ha ya tsama in hole so ya ga ngwana mafello a tshware boss. No so we patela baby boy Kale azama jo huire ane te itara slolo ga mo doctor o te shagor mo gaming o salete I test di bo wa jona
crazy are utwa demand utwa Cougar are demand Kale azama o we o ya go doctor o te checka gore o salete ai do you catch the drift? Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Kalazamo we uya doctor o te checka gore o salete
itara slolo ga mo doctor o te shagor mo gaming o salete I test di bo wa jona sa tsep doctor e motsoro rotamets are biang khoske na le bana ba babedi are maybe mengwa ha jo I dume 1 + 1 are 2 8 di go sa ano ira di DNA since then and apela jo a tlhapetso a petha le botlolo every day.
Hi, crazy guys, crazy. So ubolela ka time bang mo Cougar pile okay show so cause ke show maybe wa itso na le motho sale o botsa stories so wena o ira pina ka sona be honest ubolela ka time bang cause I watch you ke ntholing teng
happily married the job desa o ka mora le nyalo la 20 years. We tse una le bo 44 are mengwa ha ya tsama in hole so ya ga ngwana mafello a tshware boss. No so we patela baby boy Kale azama jo huire ane te itara slolo ga mo doctor o te shagor mo gaming o salete I test di bo wa jona sa tsep doctor e motsoro rotamets are biang khoske na le bana ba babedi are maybe mengwa ha jo I dume 1 + 1 are 2 8 di go sa ano ira di DNA since then and apela jo a tlhapetso a petha le botlolo every day results di bo wa di aba match e mo robile to the last degree a thomi putiso ro phela line are jo hole so jo tsela ke fake a tsena go ntlong are waiting tsena mo koloing ke lentsha trip mo tseleng a thoma ho getsa speed mosadi a motsi sort of baby king a confronta mosadi ya everything mosadi ya gcina a mmotsa nnete naira dilo le braya ha e ka sephiri rotmane a rothisa ke le dipele a wisetsa koloi go tlasa le
What a heartbreaking story. What an heartbreaking story. Crazy. Cougar. Cougar ke mpia. Hi la guys. Cougar ke mpia. This cool story se man. Nadora ke show ka pina hore drop because then na ke bona go TikTok ke bona di short go to TikTok yang TikTok lo se cha Cougar lu tlo leng di man. Yeah, crazy story bro. So the man had la doctor. Okay, the results are our name man. Yena media maybe mtsorisitse bike or something. So we rang have van media. O tshwere ke stress ka mo driver. A bona le bridge. A tsena go ra le bridge. The man so ora wa commit suicide the man just for rasa come out bro. Crazy. Just for rasa asa khona bana. Commit suicide. That's crazy. Cougar ke mpia guys. I would like to close it here. Naivala mono, but Cougar ke mpia. That was the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe. Let's get this video to 50 likes. You know what I'm saying? And comment down below W Cougar. Comment down below W Coli Cougar, cause nah, bro, it's tough. Nah, there's no weeks. It's tough, bro. Like this. But yeah, guys, that was the end of the video. Ew. That was the end of the video. My bad. We out. Peace out. I beg, guys. Thanks for watching this video till the end. So if you want any t-shirt, you can get it anytime right now. If you are tired of borrowing a t-shirt from your friend when you have to go to the stadium to watch soccer, I have a blog for you. Get this t-shirt right now. Is inbox this number or call this number 066 416 0538. You can get your new this season t-shirts from this number down below. And this new, as you can see, guys, you can see. Thanks for watching. Until then, right? Peace out.